Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. I am walking through the factory and I have the list. We're getting closer to the Firewood Frenzy that is only a few days away here this Saturday at the Wolfe Ridge factory. And the last couple of videos I talked to you about some of the stuff that we're going to have going on there. And I'm going to walk around the shop to show you some of the projects that we're finishing up sort of last minute, but we'll have them ready and on display at the Frenzy this weekend. The biggest piece that we have that's going to be on display is the DC-10C disc cleaner with conveyor. Nick is doing the finishing touches on this thing right now. Look at that bed of tines. And the video probably doesn't do it justice, but this thing is huge. And this is going to be the manual control one, so it'll have hydraulic valves on it. We can power it with the Wolfe Pack hydraulic power pack. And here you can see chains and sprockets in there. This is the left side load version. So we have the low hopper panel here and a higher hopper panel on the other side, and these hoppers are fully configurable at the time of order. So, and you could change them down the road too if you wanted, if your operation changed. But in this case, we would be able to have maybe a firewood processor conveyor go in, right here, and we can still dump stuff into it with the skid loader bucket as well. A lot of the machines that I'm talking about in this video are sold, but they will be on display and running wood through them. Here is a 17 VSC. This one is sold. Just have to get the conveyor put on it. We've got our show stock hydraulic power pack, the Wolfe Pack here. This will be powering either that disc cleaner or the Fuelwood Kindlet Pro. It's a good match for either one of those machines. Eric was working on finishing up a 28cc right here. This one is actually available. The attached conveyor, and you can have it a little higher than what it is right now. Usually it'll exit about 6 foot high. So this is a really good machine to put into IBC totes or bags. It's not something that you'd really want to build a pile with. And right down here you can see the control valves. This one right here is the first one of its kind. This is a 28C PB. So it's a 28C Magnum with power beyond. So we've got an extra valve down here, flat face quick couplers on it. So if you had a external conveyor, such as an FC16, 24, whatever, with the HS, meaning it has no engine on it, it could run off of the splitter's secondary hydraulic circuit. And the nice part about that is, using a double stack pump on this machine, there is, it's not stealing any power from your splitting functionality. We will have on display a 28 Pro X that is sold and a 22 RS that is not sold. And the 22 RS is built with a log lift. So you don't have Autocycle, but you do have auto return on these that are built without Autocycle. So basically we've got a detent for the retract, and so that's retract, pop back to neutral, and we just hold to run the splitter. Having that log lift is really nice, so you can lift 450 pounds with a machine like this. 4-way wedge is standard. Honda GX390, no electric start option for this machine. 25-gallon in-house made hydraulic oil tank and a 6-second cycle time. This blue XS looks very sharp. This one is sold, but it will be on display running. And this one was built with the Autocycle. So no log lift. You get a staging table here. And the nice thing is you can switch sides on that if you want to. You could order an extra staging table if you wanted. You could order an extra cradle. So if you wanted to have cradles on both sides or vice versa. This is an awesome resplitting machine. Same engine as the 22 RS and same pump, same tank. So 13 horse GX390, 25-gallon hydraulic oil tank, and a 4.5-second cycle time. Making my way further down the lot, we will have a few IC16s on display, including one with the wheel kit, that red one with the wheel kit. It is sold, but we're going to have that on display with the customer's 35 SHO box wedge diesel machine that is also sold. So that'll be a really cool combination to see. You can order from. And also, I think we're going to have a gray one on display, an IC16, and a blue IC16 that a customer is driving up from Indiana to pick up. This FC16 16-foot conveyor is available for pickup at the show. We make our conveyors in 16-foot, 24-foot, 32-foot, or 40. All of them come with the grizzly bars and this chip chute, and you can adjust that however is best fit for your operation. This loading height on this is about 8 feet with the grizzly bars removed. Honda GX200 engine. We've got speed control for the chains. We've got forward and reverse for the chains, and then we've got a up and down for the hydraulic cylinders. This is using bolt-on paddles now and they are zinc plated. This blue IC16 looks very sharp. This is going to be paired with customer's 17 VS. And he got just the regular leg kit, but he did opt to add 2 of the overflow sidewalls. Now we usually recommend 1, but he's going to try it out. We're going to see how it works on his operation using 2 of them. Taking a walk back to the wood yard now. The grounds and everything have been holding up really nicely, especially considering how much rain we got. We got like 4 inches of rain in the last week here, and we're set to get a little bit more here before the event. So we've been taking it easy on the yard, getting things set up. We set up some stuff last week while it was still dry, and now we've got all those other splitters just getting staged. So Thursday, Friday, we're gonna get those all set up in the showgrounds yard here. And looks like we're gonna have a little bit colder weather on Saturday. We're seeing like high in the low 40s. So keep that in mind if you're planning to come. We're gonna have some fires going, and we will have the tents going, but wanted to make you guys aware that the weather is supposed to go from the 70s on Friday to the 40s on Saturday. Got some mulch delivered. Of course, our log pile still stands the same. We've got a used 28C here. This will be available for delivery on Saturday at the Firewood Frenzy. You have to give Ben a call in sales for more information on that machine. Front and center here, we'll have a Japa 365 Basic on display. This one won't be running, but we will be running its bigger brother, the 365 Pro. They actually both do the same diameter, but the Pro's got a lot more features. Be running that there. 315 TR, split of 400. I showed you guys that last week. Now we're running the FC16 off of it. We're gonna park a trailer underneath of there, and we're gonna be doing primarily hickory and some cherry through the split of 400, all 12-inch lengths. Really good stuff for barbecue. Canelet 200 in the back corner there, that's gonna be running off of Brent Carlson's 17 VS Power Beyond. That'll be kind of fun to show. And then Canelet Pro with the Wolfe Pack. We'll restage some things here so that this is, you know, more even layout. And we've got the OG 28 HO. We'll be running that again this weekend. Special guests we will have on site here at the Frenzy. We got Britt coming in from North Carolina from Foothills Firewood. We got Matt from Lily's Farm and Firewood in New Jersey coming in. We've got Jeremiah from Outdoors in the 608. Dan from Back 40 Firewood. Chris from In the Woodyard. We got Tony from Tony's Cool Tools. I'm probably forgetting some of you guys. I know there's a whole list of awesome people in this firewood industry that are coming to this show, and I want to thank you guys for the support there. These are always great events. Got a lot of work ahead of us the next few days here, but it's all worth it. Really looking forward to seeing you guys all here this weekend, Saturday, April 18th. If you'd like to put your name on one of the splitters that is left available for pickup, make sure you call Ben in sales or David in sales as soon as possible. They may be sold already by the time you get to the show, but this is a great opportunity to see a lot of different configurations and machines running with real wood. So really, if you can make it out to this event, remember to dress warm. We're expecting temperatures in the 40s. If you'd like pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and much more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.